Now we will examine some factors that make adolescents more likely to receive the HPV vaccine compared to others. Research indicates that adolescents are more likely to receive the HPV vaccine if their parents, partners, or family members have knowledge about the vaccine. Furthermore, recent research has shown that among male adolescents, a provider recommendation is a particularly strong predictor of males receiving the vaccine. We also examined CDC data that showed vaccination rates are far lower among children who have no health insurance and children who are on Medicaid as compared to children who have private health insurance. The figure on the right shows HPV vaccination rates of adolescents by states. It's important to note that among states that did not expand Medicaid have some of the lowest vaccine coverage rates, in the 28 to 39% range. These states include Texas, Mississippi, Tennessee, Missouri, Kansas, and Wyoming. On the other hand, among states that did expand Medicaid and states that have particularly high wealth and income levels, such as California, Virginia, New York, and Connecticut, these states have particularly high vaccination coverage rates in the range of 48 to 58%, and in the case of Virginia and Massachusetts, in the range of 59 to 78%. These differences in vaccination coverage rates among states that have different levels of wealth led to the research question of how household income might influence an individual's knowledge of the HPV vaccine. This led to our hypothesis that individuals with higher levels of household income in the ranges of $35,000 to $50,000, the range $50,000 to $75,000, and individuals who make over $75,000 in household income will be more likely to have heard of the HPV vaccine than individuals with lower household incomes in the ranges less than $20,000 and $20,000 to $35,000. In the next slides, we'll examine how we performed this analysis to determine if household income affects knowledge of the HPV vaccine.